Like day 5, trying to make instant live coding to work. Well, yesterday I had a couple of ideas and made notes of them. Well, I had one. Mainly to try what happens if I don't copy? That's what I want to check. I don't think this does anything. Jeez. Leave the retry on. What I want to do is a build on. I want to see what happens if I do zig build. Interesting. I can build it, it reloads the library. No problems. And it is instant. Okay, so something's wrong with like fucking copy. What if I just deleted the temp file? Delete. This directory.delete file. Why? Motherfucker, why? So this technically is a new file. What is in temp? It doesn't look right. It's only like part of a file. Where's the rest of it? Yeah, it's only like 60 lines. If I copied, that. Pass it apart. The first time I'll pass it temp, so, and then what is it? Okay, now what happens? Interesting. So if it's a different file, it'll just work. Run that again. And here. Of course not. Why did I think? Excuse me, sorry. Let's get rid of this temporarily. Right. Change that back. Why? It's a different file. Ah, because I need to. No, they're different files. That makes sense. No, it doesn't make sense. If it's changed, close the game lib. It should be the temporary SL file. Load. But if nothing changes, works just fine. Oh no, it doesn't. What am I missing? Am I not closing the Weird. Hey, wants a name? No, not yet. Get rid of the part. The moment. Excuse me. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get working without much luck. The problem. Okay. The problem is that I can't copy once. It doesn't work the second time. So once the source code changes and I try to reload the library, I can't find the file for some reason. But the same file, if I run it again, just works. Which is fucking weird. What is this test? Oh. But it might be copy. Because I can load the lib as many times as I want. I can rebuild. So it's reloading every time. So it works just fine. It's instantaneous. But for some reason, copy doesn't work. Maybe I can just implement it myself. I think that's a good idea. Copy file might be broken. What? No way. Oh, because it's commented out. I was like, did that just work? Does the file get fully built before reloading it? Yeah, it does. And the file is always intact. If I look at, wait, this is because copy fails. This is the lib file. What's temp? I don't need this. And you see the copy, like, it's weird. But if I build it for the first time, and then just stop it. It's the right file, because it starts with an ELF. No, because I wait for the stat to get updated. Here. So once the file stat gets, the modified time is different. Only then do I load the file. Well, I mean, you're not entirely wrong. Well, that's a good question. I don't know. I think it's in. Wonder how can I figure that out? Say build lib. Yeah, that is a possibility. I didn't think of that. Can I? How can I find more about build lib? It's a lot of options. Yeah, can do that. And just change source. So I'll use that as so that's built it. Now I could okay, I think it might be onto something. Let me modify the code. Okay. What's the name? You are the best. I've been like fucking wrestling with this for like 5 days. So how do I navigate this problem? It's the next question. Yeah, it's instant as well. Yeah, I've tried F-Sync. Oh, but actually, yes. Could do an F-Sync before I copy. Did I have? It's a file handle. I can just pass it the directory. Small h. Okay. I mean, if I just wait for F-Sync on the source file, it'd still be fine, right? Because all the writes should have finished. Let me try. Oh, is the file missing? Oh, yes, it is. No. Oh, sorry. I got a bit distracted. F-Sync won't work by itself. databases, you write to this with data file.sql with fsync. Once you know fsync comes back true, you move data file.sql data file. Okay. So you move the underscore file. MV just changes reference links on disk with link. It looks like Zig doesn't do that. Fsync just for writing. Okay. But the challenge is, how do I know the build is completed? Can I build within here? So I could modify. Instead of checking the source file. Hmm. Made .zig. What did I call it? I check if the game code changes. And then if I build from within here, let me ask Cloud something. I call Zig. Oh yes, I could just use this. What is target? Need. Hey, thanks a lot, once a name. That was quite helpful. Okay, so I can just run it as a child process. Sister child. Takes a struct. Slice of constituent. Hang on, that's the part. Then dynamic. What does it return? I don't know what that is. Run results. Exited, signal stopped, unknown. What does that mean? If it's not 0, just try it again after. Just return result dot return dot exited. You wait. Here. Hey man, I was just going googling gingible and turning LSPs off and came across your blog, and coincidentally you're live streaming too. I think you're the second person to find the stream through the blog. Would you say it made you a better developer after over a year since the blog post? I did write a follow-up to that one, but I think definitely, and I also preferred it. I do remember a lot more, which I think is useful. I don't have to like look up things a lot, and I've still left it off. So I don't think. Yeah, I think it was a good decision to turn the LSP off. Funny enough, like Gingerbill was the reason I turned it off too. I read it somewhere, or like I watched a podcast, something where he says he's turned it off. Okay. Game code changed. Yeah. Somehow I need to be able to try it later. I'm gonna rename this method. Should reload lib. If build results not equal to 0, I can just should it be not equal to? Should be equal to. We won't try again. No, 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 not here. Let's return that here and rename the game. I think before copy. Okay, I think this is not ideal, but try this for now. What was it called again? Oh, changed, yeah. Or reload game. What did I call it? Retry game load. Lab. Yeah. This expects it won't work. I think I should just keep it simple for now. I'll just throw an error here. I don't think this is right. See if it builds. I don't think it'll build. Idle literal requires address of operator. Okay, it does build. Don't need this. Okay, see what that does. Okay, that's not great. Why is it doing that? It's reloading the game every time. Ah, det Valeria. Why? Why are you rebuilding? Oh, because I don't update the... Oh, no, I do. Oh, source modify that. Yep. It should be game code. Yes. Okay, so now if I update... Yes, that works. That is so cool. Nice. Try a green offset. That's so beautiful. That works. Okay. Only took 5 days. Nice. So I don't need to rebuild. Don't even need that. That's actually way better. Perfect. Okay, I think it's gonna be a short stream today. See what else he does. What is looped live code editing?
And then a start recording. There we go. Welcome everyone to Handmade Hero. We are here on day 23. Basically what I want to point out now is what we did, it was a pretty darn cool. We basically do have, most of what I would want for something where you can do live code editing, right? I can run the game, and we've basically shown this sort of simple, we don't really have, since we haven't been working on the game, we've just been working on platform code and stuff like that, and all the sorts of things that we need to do to support the game on Windows. We basically haven't had a chance to do much in the way of an actual game, but of course we have demoed the fact that we can live change anything that we want, and it immediately updates pretty much instantaneously upon change in the editor. So that's pretty awesome. But if you think about what happens, in a game, usually, like we've just got this kind of toy thing running over here, but pretty soon, over the next month or two, we're going to be building actual game stuff, and there's going to be a real game running in here, and things won't be so simple in terms of actually being able to see the results of code changes, right? Basically, what's going to happen is we're going to have user input, and they're going to be moving a character around, and they're going to do stuff, right? And so I just want to quickly create a little very simple example of what that's going to be like, just to point out where we're going to run into problems with this live code editing. And to be fair, it's not anything wrong with our live code editing. Our live coding at this point is as good or better than mostly anything I see out there in other stuff. So our live code editing is good right now, but I want to make it way better. I want to make it so much better that it's going to be like you would not dream of using something else after.
Okay, I'm just going to take the W for now, and I'll do this tomorrow. Took me like 5 days to figure this out. What is this? Yeah, just get rid of that. Live code editing works. Finally. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be a short stream because I am happy with that. What's wrong with my internet? Okay, don't need this. That's actually way cleaner. Okay. I don't need that either. So I'm gonna take the win and stop. I'll start this tomorrow. Yeah, quite happy with that. I've used live coding. I never knew how it worked. Hey Jacob, nice to meet you. I'll be back. What's today? Friday. Sunday. I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow. Alright. See ya. Have a good one. And as always, thank you for hanging out. Bye.